McNally Gervan is one of Ottawa's leading law firms in handling serious injury claims arising from falls. Injuries suffered in falls are among the most common and are often very serious. Anyone who has slipped or tripped over something knows how suddenly it can happen and how scary it can be, even if we are lucky enough to avoid injury. But many of these falls do result in serious injuries, and the falls are often caused by the failure of the property owner to take reasonable precautions or to properly maintain the premises. Whether it is a store, a mall, a restaurant, a sports facility or a sidewalk, the owners and occupiers of these spaces have a legal duty to make sure they are reasonably safe. What is reasonable will vary depending on the circumstances, but whoever is responsible for the condition and maintenance of the premises has to take some steps to keep them safe. It is almost never okay or acceptable for a property owner to do nothing. Usually, the law imposes a duty to have at least a regular schedule of maintenance or inspections, and to follow that schedule. In the winter months in Ottawa, a property owner probably has a duty to be aware of changing weather conditions and freezing rain alerts. Injuries from falls can be very serious, and frequently include back and neck injuries, concussions, fractures, and torn ligaments or sprains. The claims that can arise from these injuries require experience in dealing with the sometimes complex issues involved in identifying who is responsible for the dangerous condition and the injury. Anyone who falls and suffers an injury should document the time and place, notify the owner, get names and contact information for witnesses, and take some photographs of the hazardous condition or the cause of the fall. Claims arising from slips or falls on municipal city property often require that prompt notice be given. In such cases, it is very important to collect as much information as quickly as possible and to speak with a lawyer as soon as possible. An experienced personal injury lawyer will be able to help ensure that notice is given within the appropriate time frame. The lawyers at McNally Gervan LLP understand the system and are here to help accident victims get the support they need and the benefits they deserve.